What's up, YouTube? Back here again with the truck. Gonna do some truck things, make it able to do some truck things. Before it was lifted with stock size tires, now it's got a 4-inch lift and 33-inch tall tires. My Laverne sliding adjusting hitch is about useless now because it is entirely way too tall. Now I could have lowered it, built some ways to lower it, but I said nah, I'll just go out and pick me up a receiver. So that's what I did. I went and picked me up a B&W 16,000 pound receiver from eTrailer.com, and we're gonna go ahead and they had about the best price on it, and we're gonna go ahead and mount this up underneath the truck here. But while I'm doing that, no receiver is too good without trailer plug, so I went to Napa, picked me up a 7-way and a 4 and 5 pin flat trailer plug. Mounts perfectly in the BMW bracket here, which is much thicker than the one that comes with the plug. Then while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and hook up this trailer brake controller. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this awesome Laverne adjusting hitch that is dampened, by the way. It's got rubber isolators up under here. It's got a slider. It's got a couple of bolts here on the bumper, and then a couple of support braces right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove both those support braces and those 2 bolts and go ahead and drop this bad boy out of here. So this bumper is about the stock height of the original bumper, so I shouldn't have a problem interfering with this hitch. I have a bunch of drop receivers already, so I figured why not just use them that I've already got on this truck. So yeah, got some projects coming up that are involved in towing some stuff, so I want to see how this truck will do. So I'll cut you guys back on in a minute when I get this out from underneath here and start to get this BMW up underneath there. See how she fits. Well, after fighting for about an hour, and I can say it kicked my ass, but it's finally out of there. Dealt with, held on to 4 bolts, 2 that were a real pain in the ass to get to, and 2 that were just entirely rusted together. But yeah, got them all out. Make way for the new hitch. I'm gonna go ahead and get that bad boy kind of up in the right location, and I'm wondering if the motorcycle jack will set high enough to pick that up. I doubt it. I think it might go high enough, but I doubt it. But yeah, now I'm just hoping that it fits. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on in a second when this bad boy's up under there and semi-mocked up. Okay, a little bit of time has lapsed, got it up underneath there, got her bolted in, and a bunch of mud that was all up in there. But I got my plug mounted, got the receiver mounted, bolted pretty much right up to this hole and this hole. I had to drill these 2 holes because it didn't line up with this one, and there's one up in this spot that it didn't line up with either. So I ended up just punching the 2 spots, marking this one, and just drilling 2 half-inch holes, dropping the bolts through and tightening her down with the impact. Got my wiring all wired up. I've got this wire here that's going to come up and follow. It's a 10 gauge wire. It's plenty heavy. That's going to be for the trailer brakes. I'm not going to wire them up this second. I'm going to go check my turn signals, taillights and stuff, and make sure all that stuff works. I even hooked up to the backup, the center pin, the backup plug for this, in case you never know. But yeah, I got I got this all mounted up there. Looks really good. Got it pretty square. Yeah, I'm really happy with this hitch. Get this out of the way because I'm going to go ahead and fold it in next time so I can do the brake controller and whatnot. So yeah, all I got to do is run the 10 gauge wire up front, then wire up my brake controller, and the towing setup on the old K10 is ready to tow. So I'm gonna go over and just the easiest way to check my lights on trailers is go over to this trailer over here, or a shop trailer, and check it and just see if we have trailer lights. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a second. I'm out here at the trailer and I have side markers. That's nice. Got tail lights. Cool, cool, cool. I'm missing a side marker on the trailer up there. Checking the trailer lights, make sure they still all work. I know that one that's missing does not. Let's go ahead and hit the four ways and see if we have the four ways on the back of the truck. And we have four ways on the back of the trailer. Sweet. That's what I wanted. Then we'll just go ahead and check when we get done if we have trailer brakes. Let's make sure without the running lights on we have turn signals. Sometimes that's a problem, which it doesn't seem to be. Cool. Awesome, awesome. Got turn signals. Should mean we have brake lights. Really ain't to hold the brakes, but yeah, it should mean we should be good to go, which is nice because that means we can got lights, less chances of being pulled over. So yeah, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it in the shop, figure out where I'm gonna mount this trailer brake controller. We'll get you guys in a second. All right, I got it mounted. Went ahead and mounted it right here. As you guys can see, no connection, no connection. I can turn the boost on. It's got the 3 boost mode, no connection. Got it turned all the way down right now. Yeah, I'd like to put it on a relay for when the key's off. But yeah, so it ain't running all the time. But you know, hopefully don't run my battery dead real bad. Shouldn't. Never really done my Trailblazer, so shouldn't do it on this. But got it hooked up to my brake pedal. I think it might have made. No, I don't. I thought it did, but it doesn't. Yeah. Now I just got to run a wire from the plug in the back all the way up the frame to up under the hood where that comes out at. But yeah, I went ahead and ran a 30 amp fuse. I'll go ahead and pop the hood, I guess, and show you that. But yeah, I went ahead and put a 30 amp fuse in for it, right direct to the battery. The one with the tape on it's the wire that, unfortunately, it's all red because I didn't have any blue, but this is the one that goes down to the back. I'll just put a connection on it here and zip tie it to the rear lights. But I put it with my fuse blank, or my fuse panel, my fuel pump, my fan 1, my fan 2, then I'll put BC for brake controller, or amongst other things you can consider. But yeah, I need to go ahead and take this off because it's irritating me. This ground that goes nowhere. Used to do something, don't do nothing anymore. But yeah, I went ahead and used the Battery Doctor battery terminals, the long studded, so I can get some more extra room for when I add the winch wiring and I put my winches on it and whatnot. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and crawl underneath it and run the wire, and then go back over the trailer and test it again, see if it's hooked up, see if we get any brake noise. Well, I'm out here and it says we're connected, and I've got about the adjustment. I go through the boost settings. No boost. I heard the brakes back here making some noise, so that's a good sign. But yeah, that's good. Got trailer brakes and everything, so that's a awesome ordeal. Disconnect that, set that back. Now I just need some receivers and I can haul some stuff. I got receivers, I just gotta go get them out of the truck. And it's flashing no connection, so that's good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go grab the Mustang. It's over there by the gate. I drove it to Dam and bring it back here and park it, lock up, and then head on home. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you guys have a good rest of your week.